Hey everybody, my name is Lewis. I'm the owner of Portland Fireplace and Chimney, and today we're talking about the 3 biggest reasons why you should have your chimney annually cleaned and inspected. It doesn't matter what type of chimney you have, it doesn't matter what type of gas is going through your chimney. Every type of chimney, whether you're burning wood or gas, needs to be inspected and cleaned and maintained annually. To make sure that you don't have any operating malfunctions and to ensure that your system is going to perform optimally when you need it during that time of year when the temperatures start to go down. So the first type of system, and the number one reason, is a wood burning system. Why do we clean our chimney? We clean our chimney to remove the buildup of creosote. And a lot of people sometimes ask me, well, what is creosote? Creosote. When you have a wood burning chimney and you burn wood, the smoke that comes off of the wood builds up on the interior wall of the chimney. That deposit is called creosote, and that deposit is a flammable byproduct of burning wood. A chimney fire is when creosote ignites on the interior wall of the chimney. Both sides of the flue essentially ignite, creating a jet engine effect. Flames shoot out the top of the chimney and the systems become destroyed. The components that interlock the system together thermally expand and cracks develop, which can cause heat to escape the fireplace or chimney system. And if heat escapes the fireplace or chimney system, you've got gases that are poisonous entering the living space. You've got air drying out combustible framing materials that may be next to the chimney, and those may ignite. If those ignite, that's oftentimes how a chimney can actually destroy an entire home. So a wood-burning fireplace needs annual cleaning and inspection, and that's the recommendation from the NFPA. That's the National Fire Protection Association.